Hi guys, Charlie here from Charlie B's Business, and today you are here to find out what the best investment is for 2020, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you. So the best investment you can make this year and any subsequent year is to invest in yourself, guys, and I'm going to go through why it's so important. Should this be your priority? Where I started with investing in myself, where I am now in my journey, and where I plan to be. And if you stay to the end, guys, I'm going to recommend some stuff to you that I think will really help you out if you're looking to start a new business and you really want to build the life that you deserve, the life of your dreams for yourselves and your family. So I'm going to jump on the camera now, talk directly to you guys. So let's jump right across. Hi guys, so we're over on the video now, and I'm going to talk to you about investing in you. We're going to start off with why that's so important. Now, I'm sure you probably know already, but investing in yourself means that you're going to build skills and knowledge, specialised knowledge that you can then transfer into money effectively. You can sell your skills, you can use your skills to grow your business, do multiple things depending on what it is you're investing in. If you pay someone to do a job for you, or you get a software program to do a job for you without first learning the skills to do it and investing in yourself and in understanding what you're doing, then that you can't use that knowledge, that power as a sales tactic. And once that the people that you've paid or whatever it is disappears, you've got nothing left. So it is absolutely important that you invest in yourself. You make that decision to invest in yourself. It will be the best investment you ever make. I've invested in myself along my journey in business, and every time I've invested, it's never been a bad decision. Even sometimes when I maybe have not got out of, say, a training program or course, one that I'll talk about later on in the video, but I've paid. Well, it's some that in the past that I've bought into that I haven't got exactly what I wanted out of them, but I've still learnt a huge amount of information. When I look back, I've still taken a lot from it. There's bits that I've learnt, so it's never been a waste of money. Maybe overpriced potentially for some things, but never a waste of money. So moving on to the next one, should it be a priority? Absolutely, it should be a priority. Before you spend money on anything else, any other, hardware, technology, whatever it is, don't forget about all of that. You need to invest in yourself, grow yourself, your specialised knowledge, and then that specialised knowledge you can turn into power and into money. So where did I start? I started just over 7 months, or almost around 7 months ago now, in my journey in online business, and the first step I made was buying into a program for beginners to increase my knowledge. I had no idea where to start. There were stuff out there people out there trying to sell stuff to me that was done for you. So I would pay them, and they're promising you wealth by sending everything to you. All you've got to do is very simple things. You're not investing in yourself. And I made the right decision. I invested into a mentor, a training program, and I followed that through. And then I progressed to the next stage, to the next stage, to the next stage, which is on to where I am now. So now I'm at a position where I've now learned a huge amount in the sector that I'm working in, which is affiliate marketing. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll know about that. I've made a huge advancement in my specialised knowledge in that field, and it's all through making investments into myself, being prepared to spend money on increasing my own knowledge. And there's plenty of people out there that are making massive figures in any business, and they'll be more than happy to pass that knowledge on to you, but most of the time it comes at a cost. So you need to be prepared to spend money and invest in yourself. So now I'm now at a stage where I've actually invested again very recently into coaching. So I've paid someone now, invested into myself, and I've paid someone to help coach me to take me to the next level in my business. So again, all the way through, I'm continuously investing in myself. That is the top of my priority list, is to increase my own personal knowledge, because I know that that is transferable into money. So where do I plan to be? From now I've bought into this coaching, I'll continue to use the program as well that I'm part of, which is Super Affiliate Accelerator. And that is my recommendation for you guys if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, or you're in affiliate marketing and you're really struggling, you're spinning your wheels, you're struggling to get some traction, and you're struggling with your first high ticket affiliate marketing sale. SAA, Super Affiliate Accelerator with Jacob Karris, is the place to be, guys. You know, it is a fantastic program. I've learned a huge amount, and it's driven me leaps and bounds ahead of where I was just a few months ago, or 6-7 weeks ago, whatever it is, a couple of months ago since I started. And now I'm on to the next stage, where now I've bought into personal coaching. So I've got a coach that I deal with directly, and he is going to coach me and train me to build to the next level in my business. So I plan to be, you should always set out a plan for yourself. So now I've started this coaching. My plan is to get to a position in the next 3 months where I have a steady figure, which is a figure I've set with my coach, and also I want more time freedom with my business. So that's my goal, and all of that is achievable through investing in yourself. So again, get out there, guys, go and invest in yourself. And if you're interested in having a look at the SAA, Super Affiliate Accelerator, click the link below, and you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching again, and I'll speak to you soon.